So let me show y'all what has now become my favorite baby food maker. You can sanitize, steam. It has a self-cleaning button, which is amazing after you're done pureeing, which I'll show y'all. It has an auto puree / chop mode where it comes out perfectly, or if you prefer like chunkier consistencies, then you can do manual. You put the water in the back here, and I'm about to make my baby some carrot puree, so let me go ahead and show you how it's done. Okay, so I got my carrots washed and chopped, all ready to go. Now you put whatever vegetable you want to puree into the steaming basket. I put about this much. We'll load it back up and secure it. Then we're going to do steam. It auto selects for 15 minutes. Here it is doing its thing. 9 more minutes to go. Okay, it is all steamed up, and you can actually use the water that is left behind, or if you prefer to use formula or breast milk, you know, you can. So I'm just gonna dump it right back in. Now we are going to puree, and I like the auto because I do like the consistency that it comes out to, so let's do it. Got ourselves some carrot puree. Okay, so now let me show you how it cleans itself. So you want to rinse any of the puree that's left over. You put some water in it, and then you press clean. Boom. I love the little countdown. And there we have it.